Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw AXO from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw an oval shape for his head, and I'm gonna leave the bottom part of that oval with a gap for now. And at the side of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and at the bottom of that shape, I'm gonna draw a mirror curved line to the same outer point right there. And at the side of both curved line, I'm gonna draw some triangular shape along the line. I'm gonna copy the same set of shape at this upper point right here. And at this lower point at the side of the face as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side of his face as well. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna take this point off center on the right and draw a curved line up and slightly to the right, semicircle turn at that side, semicircle turn at the outer corner of the eye, semicircle turn back to the middle point right there. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a circle in the middle, and at the inner corner of the eye, a circle right there, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. I'm gonna copy the same shape for the eye on the left side. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw below the eye, across a curved line, and at the corner, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn, turn it diagonally downwards, turn it back up at the left corner of the mouth. For his teeth, I'm gonna draw two triangular shape at the upper point right there, and two at the bottom point. For his tongue, I'm gonna draw across a curved line and another one beside that. In between the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, curved line across at the bottom point, turn it back up at the side. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the left side, like that, and on the right side as well. And I'm gonna extend the one on the right outwards, a semicircular turn at the shoulder right there, turn it diagonally down to the elbow, semicircular turn at that corner, and for the inner line I'm gonna take this point into a curved line up, semicircular turn outwards and down, and at that point right there I'm gonna draw a circular shape and another circular shape at that point. For his hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line up from this point diagonally to the left and sideways, semicircular turn back down, and for the other finger I'm gonna draw a curved line up at this point, semicircular turn to the left, turn it down, and copy the same shape for the other finger. At that corner, I'm going to draw a semicircular turn back to the wrist with a curved line. Now for the collar of his shirt, I'm going to take this point on the left neck and draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the right and upwards. From this point on the right shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn at the bottom point right there at the side of the arm, turn it back up. At the side of that ending point, I'm gonna trace the same curved line downwards, extend it all the way downwards, and I'm gonna draw a circular turn at that corner, turn it to the left, and stop there. On the left side of his neck, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line downwards, extend it all the way to that ending point at the bottom right there. For the left arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side of the shoulder here, curved line outwards, turn it slightly upwards right there, and at that point I'm gonna turn it upwards like that all the way to the wrist, and at that corner I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn to the thumb, turn it upwards and diagonally out, semicircular turn at the tip, curved line across to the side of the finger, turn it upwards, semicircular turn at that point downwards, semicircular turn at the tip of the finger and upwards. Copy the same shape again for the other fingers, and for the pinky finger I'm gonna take this point at the side of the last one and draw a diagonal line upwards, semicircular turn at the tip, back downwards, and a curved line for the side of the palm back to the wrist on the left. From that point I'm gonna draw a curved line down all the way to his elbow, semicircular turn at the elbow, turn it back in with a diagonal line, and a semicircular turn downwards from that point. At the collar of his shirt, I'm gonna trace this semicircular line across at this point all the way to the right side right there. And at the lowest point of the shirt, I'm gonna trace the same curved line across at that point, and another one above it right there. And above that, I'm gonna draw 3 more lines at that point, and another one slightly above it, and the last one. For his leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, another curved line at the side from the center right there, and outwards below the knee point, back in towards the ankle point. A diagonal line for the outer point, like there, and a straight line downwards all the way to his ankle. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, semicircle turn to the left, and semicircle turn back down at the outer corner. At this point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line in and a strap at this front point with a curved line across, sideways at the sides, and a curved line at the bottom point again, similar to the one above. And from the outer point right here, I'm going to draw a curved line to the front, turn it downwards with a diagonal line, and for the back, I'm going to draw a curved line across, semicircle turn at this corner, turn it downwards, and another curved line all the way to the heels. From the front point to the back, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there. And at the front, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line up, sideways to the left. And for the back, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up to that point. At this corner, I'm going to trace the same line as the base curved line across to that point. Now for the thigh, I'm going to draw across the curved line at that point. For the right leg, I'm going to draw a curved line down similar to the one on the left, flare it out below the knee and back in towards the ankle. For the shoes, I'm going to copy the same shape on the right side. For the tail, I'm gonna take this point at the side below his shirt and draw a curved line downwards and out, semicircle turn at that corner, back in at the lower point, sharp turn back up to the side of his leg right there. And at the sides, I'm gonna trace the same outline from this outer corner, turn it inwards to the center, curved line back out, sharp turn back up on the other side on the left, and trace the same outline of the tail in the middle again. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.